Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 most powerful folding electric bikes in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you are looking for electric bikes that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place to find out more information about these electric bikes. You can check out the link description below. Let's get started. This electric bicycle is an upgrade to our highly rated EB7 Plus. That's more than just cosmetic. The battery is 23% more efficient and mated to a high-torque 350-watt motor. This pedal assist bike can travel up to 19 miles on electric power alone before needing to recharge. Switch speed modes at the push of a button and reach throttle speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour. Battery tap, now what? Just pedal like a traditional bicycle and keep riding. The EB7 Plus is a true upgrade to its predecessor in every sense of the word. We engineered this electric commuter bike with the versatile Shimano 7-speed SIS gear system for true multi-gear efficiency. It's the light, precise and consistent shifting riders expect from a bike equipped with Shimano gears. And the EB7 Plus delivers. A quick shift thumb button lets you easily shift up to higher gears. For more precise shifting, use the style levers and coast with confidence. Explore more of the world. Take the long way home. Fall in love with your commute. It's easier said than done with the EB7 Plus, a premium long-range electric commuter bike for adults and teens. Powered for modern commutes, complete with 7-speed Shimano gears and removable battery for longer rides. And I can solve your everyday transportation problem with SwagCycle Pro and unique foldable bike that is designed to go wherever you go. It features a 250-watt brushless motor, which allows you to reach a top speed of 18 miles per hour. So that you can reach your destination swiftly. Packed with a powerhouse battery, this electric bike offers a maximum range of up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, allowing you to take it on long trips without any worry. You can also charge your smartphone from the bike's battery. It comes in a robust foldable design which can handle a maximum payload of up to 264 pounds and allows you to carry it with you wherever you go. This e-bike has built-in Bluetooth connectivity which allows you to connect it to the smartphone app and monitor your back stairs wirelessly. The SwagCycle Pro is a compact-size photo bike. Solve your everyday transportation problem with SwagCycle Pro and unique foldable bike that is designed to go wherever you go. It features a 250-watt brushless motor, which allows you to reach a top speed of 18 miles per hour. So that you can reach your destination swiftly. Packed with a powerhouse battery, this electric bike offers a maximum range of up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, allowing you to take it on long trips without any worry. You can also charge your smartphone from the bike's battery. It comes in a robust foldable design which can handle a maximum payload of up to 264 pounds and allows you to carry it with you wherever you go. This e-bike has built-in Bluetooth connectivity which allows you to connect it to the smartphone app and monitor your back stairs wirelessly. The SwagCycle Pro is a compact-size photo bike. You are comfortable with using all of the e-bike's functions and you're able to get on and off with ease. Frequently inspect both of your tires after riding for signs of puncture and/or damage. It is recommended that you inflate your tires to a minimum of 40 psi to reach top speeds and extend your battery life. A little tip: heavier riders increase by 2 to 3 psi. As you ride more and more, the brake cable may become stretched and less effective. Here is a quick tip for dusting. The handbrake cable tension to ensure safe and proper stopping power. It's best to take it off the charger. In some cases you may notice your throttle becomes difficult to move. This may be a result of your hand grip being too tight. Lightly adjust and this should free it up because the EB5 is so foldable. Clamps can get loose. Frequently inspect both tires after every ride for signs of puncture and/or damage at some point, and every bike's life brakes might become loose affecting stopping time. Sometimes the fix is simply tightening the handbrake. Otherwise, here's a tip for adjusting the front and rear cable. Pull out some slack but not too much. Once done, tighten and give them a test. The EB5 is a folding commuter, a bike that is compact and fun to ride, but it's better suited for smooth, even pavement. App supporting system track down the speed, battery life, and distance of your overall trip. Toggle your motorized bicycle's speed measurements if you prefer miles per hour and miles or kilometers per hour and kilometers at your very convenience. iPhones, download and share at Apple Store, Android smartphones, scan QR code in the user manual. With air-filled rubber wheels for shock absorbency and better traction, so you'll have a super smooth ride wherever you go. Also, you can breeze up hills, mounds, and any incline up to 10 degrees. Supports the IPX5, waterproof and fully protected against solid objects and splashing of water from any angle. The anti-slip tire improved road access and better comfort. Its folding design allows you to easily store and transport your bike. If you plan to put your e-bike in a car trunk or you plan to carry it onto the bus or train, then a and sheer folding e-bike is